Good morning mga kalapatids. Monday, today, anong petsa ba ngayon? September 9. So, yesterday we had first lap, federation race, and good news. Out of top 20 birds, I've got 12 from out of 20 top birds. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 19, 20 place. So yeah, 12 birds out of 20 top birds from yesterday's race. So good news. And come and join me. I'll show you the top three birds from my loft. Okay. Hello. So this is my lap champion bird. First leg, Hunter Bill, 242 air distance from my loft, and he's a medium-sized bird, good built. Sa feather. So sa mga tumitingin ng eye sign, who believe on eye sign, feather. Yeah. So this bird was bred for sprint. So I'm not expecting him to be a long distance bird. So I bought his parents from Lindsay Walker. Shout out Lindsay Walker from Ngaruwahiya, also on my also a member of my club. And yeah, I bought the breed, the parents from Lindsay from the club auction. Yeah. So ito, nag-produce na. Last year, nung young bird season, maganda yung lipad. They show sign that they from short distance race, but it's only a short period, like 2 races. They flew well, then the performance dropped down. I don't know what. Probably on my side, it's fault on my side. So I adjusted. So yeah, here, lap champion, cock, medium size, number 68, a yearling. So tingnan natin ulit next week or the following week. Good bird. Here's my second place bird from yesterday's race. Blue check. Medium sized bird. Good body structure. Naniniwala ng eye sign. Yan. Feather. Okay. Medyo tis-tis na yung dulo. So this is an old bird. I raised this bird last young bird season. So I also a yearling. Number 67. Shout out ulit kay Lindsay Walker. it's also from his birds, family of birds yung nabili ko sa auction. So yeah, the first one that I showed you, number 68, same bloodline on the mother side. Bali, it's actually uncle and niece, so same bloodline. Yan, magandang ibon, beautiful bird, strong. Yeah. Okay. So this is my third place bird from yesterday's race, a hen. Yan. Small size hen. This is a small size hen. Yan. Pero ganda ng katawan. Parang hindi ko marera. Yan. So third place, 1,410 ang velocity yesterday. So shout out to Miles Loft. Ito, bali produce to nung ni 276, yung nag-lap champion ko rin ng Invercargill. Pero kinross ko siya sa I cross it from Lindsay's bird, also a sprint. So this is an experiment breed, like long distance infusing a speed bird. So this is the result, half sprint, half long distance. So siguro yung speed on her side pumasok dito sa on this bird. So we'll see kung aabot siya ng if she can race up until Invercargill race, long distance. So potential, speed and long distance. Hen 115. So let's see kung aabot ng long distance, but at least she already had a good sign for sprint bird.
Sound the alarm, I'm coming up, we'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup, you're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of, strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
Hello. So this is my 14th place bird from yesterday's race. It's a cup. His ring number is actually it's from 2022. So last year at 2 years old na to. Magto 2 years old na. So his ring number is 725. Actually, this bird has been I've been raised him last year in Bercargill race. So cut off after a few weeks. He came back. It's considered a long distance bird. Yeah. And I'm raising him this old bird season, so preparing him for a second stint on the old the dream race in Bercargill. So I'm not expecting him to fly well, because it's a long distance bird. I'm considering it, but he showed a speed yesterday. So 14th place. Yan. So we'll see kung hanggang saan siya aabot. Nag-show siya ng speed. So maybe speed and long distance bird. So bantayan natin yan. 725. So that's all for today's video.